The latest on health care reform. It was time to celebrate at the White House yesterday as President Obama signed the health care bill into law. The latest CBS News poll shows public approval of Mr. Obama's performance on health care rose 6 percentage points to 47% after the bill passed Sunday night. Overall, 48% of those polled still disapprove. CBS News senior White House correspondent Bill Plante has more this morning from the White House. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning, Harry. You know, this battle really isn't over. It continues today in the Senate over changes which the House has demanded to the bill. And even though the bill may be gaining in popularity, our poll shows that the president still has more convincing to do.
This is going to take a little while.
Health care reform may now be law.
We are done.
But that hasn't stopped Republicans from fighting it.
I think the slogan will be repeal and replace. Repeal and replace.
They're vowing to do everything they can to keep a package of fixes to the landmark bill from passing in the Senate.
No, we can't fix it, really, because it's such a terrible bill.
And more than a dozen states have filed lawsuits claiming the overhaul is unconstitutional, arguing the government can't force people to buy health insurance.
And I'm confident that the court is going to declare the new health care reform law unconstitutional.
And in the new CBS News poll, the percentage of people who think the new law will help them has gone down from 20% to 16%, while more people, 78%, think health care reform will hurt them or have no effect at all. Still, our poll shows 52% say it's a major accomplishment for the president. Vice President Biden apparently agrees. At yesterday's bill signing, he was overheard telling the president, White House Press Secretary Robert Gibbs acknowledged the gaffe in a tweet, saying, quote, "And yes, Mr. Vice President, you're right." Today, the president signs an executive order with no audience, no cameras, no fanfare, reaffirming the stand on government funding against abortion. This is part of a deal he made with several anti-abortion members of the House to get the bill passed in the first place. Harry?
Bill, and what about these hurdles that the Republicans are putting up legislatively? Is there any real chance for Republicans to stop this?
Well, these are the fixes in the bill, what's called reconciliation. Republicans under this rule have to, they can't filibuster this, so they have to only offer amendments, one after another. They can do this all week. Each amendment has to be voted on, but in the end, Democrats are confident that they have the 51 votes, which is all they need, to pass it in the Senate.
Bill Plante at the White House this morning. Thanks.